Hi! Let's see how we can quickly change our video dimensions. As you can see, I have here a video which is Full HD 1920 by 1080, and here is the file itself. Let's go over the application window, click Force Size to, and select whichever dimensions we want to enforce on this video. Now let's choose the video quality and the audio bitrate we're gonna use for this process. All that's left to do is drag any video file over the application window, and it automatically starts creating the new media that we just configured. When done, you'll see the new media listed in the completed job list and of course in the original media folder.